My name is Richard Lee, and I decided to learn Tai Chi when my running's over. I hurt my knee and wanted to do something to keep moving. And my wife then met Master Guang at Trinity College, and I got into Tai Chi from her. And I've been practicing now almost 20 years. I come to class a lot. I think it's about 12 hours a week. I come Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Saturday. And Tai Chi and Qigong have helped me. First, it was a great emotional stabilizer. When my wife was very sick and died of Parkinson's, the Tai Chi was very good for me to ease the stress and sadness of that period. After that, I think the greatest benefit of both Tai Chi and Qigong was to emphasize to me how important it is to keep the mind and the body together. The movements are a wonderful exercise, but for me it's been more the mental aspect, the joining of body and mind to one thing, not two. Master Guang is a wonderful teacher and a good friend. Well, both are important. We have a good time together. We argue and we laugh and we have food together and we do Tai Chi together. And YYTA right now is an important part of my life. I don't know what I would do without it.